The most convenient home storage product that you'll ever own. This is our fold-up family organizer, and it hangs up wherever you need it, whether it's in closets, the garage, the kids' room, the bathroom, or even the back seat of a car. All you do is you unsnap it, unfold it, and then you can hang it on any bar or hook using this snap closure. With 4 separate zip pockets, the hanging organizer helps you to sort craft supplies, clothes, toys, tools, beauty products, car care products, sewing materials, cleaning products, and even more. You can actually put an iPad in one of the clear pouches, and you can use it through the plastic, okay? It makes a great even mobile office to take with you to meetings, all right? You can just fold it up, snap it back in place, use the handles to be able to take from place to place. Again, this is our fold-up family organizer.